Welcome to our channel. My name is Kushal. Today's topic is spelling.
Ask,
ASK,
bring,
BRING,
come,
COME,
drink,
DRINK,
eat,
EAT,
fall,
FALL,
go,
GO,
hear,
HEAR,
issue,
ISSUE,
jump,
JUMP,
keep,
KEP,
leave,
LEAVE,
meet,
MET,
neglect,
NEGTELE,
NEGLECT.
NEGLECT,
Yeah.
open,
OPEN,
play,
PLAY,
quarrel,
QUARREL, quarrel,
read,
READ,
sing,
SING,
take,
TAKE,
understand,
UNDER, understand,
visit,
VISIT,
write,
WITE, RIT,
X-ray,
XRAY,
yarn,
YAMWN,
zigzag,
ZIGZAG.
Thank you.
Thank you.